This is the newest log truck I've ever seen. This is a 2011. This is a new truck. This interesting single window there. Looks like it might be expensive to maintain that if I got a chip in it.
It's our chance to decide what's best for the future of our country. I want my federal government to invest in public services, better pensions, and affordable child care. Stephen Harper wants to add more cash to already bloated corporate bank accounts. We have a choice. More tax breaks for big corporations, or better services for all Canadians. It's that simple. This election, vote for public services. A message on the horizon.
A Jeep. Obviously not a 2011. Regular pull trailer there. Triaxle here. Peerless bullboard. Got the little road runners cut into it up there by the reach saddle.